Hello friends, today I am here to teach you a song, very popular song, Chura Liya hai Tumne jo dil ko. It's a song I'm going to share you. I have modified this song in an easy way so that you can learn. I have divided this song in a six part. So step by step you have to go it and I'm going to play the part 1. Now friends, I am going to teach you part 1, beautiful intro of this song, and look on the screen, tabs are there. If you follow the tab, I believe you can play better than me, okay? So look here, it's to go like this. Now friends, I am going to teach you the part 1 in a slow, okay? I played little faster. Now I'm going to show you the play slow. Look here, my finger is first here on the first string. It's the intro music, ta, 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 ta. Look here. So you have to play this, ta. So when you play this, lose your finger, but keep your finger here. See, ta, 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 ta. So I believe if you practice, you can do. Okay. Now I'm gonna teach you the next line. Second line is how it's coming here. You have to hold the A minor chord here. Okay. After holding A minor chord, look, I'm gonna show you how it's going on. So when you play this, slowly also, right? Now friends, I am going to teach you the part 2, and in the part 2, I will play the song, I will sing the song, I'll do strumming here, okay? Dear friends, if you want to learn songs, trust me, you must learn some very important basic of music, trick and tips of music. Then only after that you can play any of your choice of song from YouTube, right? Here we go. Strumming is this, look here. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? Down stroke, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Look, down, down, up, down, up. So, let me show you. I'll sing now, okay? Look here. Chura liya hai tumne jo dil ko, nazar nahi churana sanam, badal ke meri tum zindagani, kahin badal na jana sanam, oh meri yaad, oh hai mera dil, hai dil kar mujhko na behlana, chura liya hai tumne jo dil ko, nazar nahi churana sanam, badal ke meri tum zindagani, kahin badal na jana sanam. Now friends, I am going to play the part 3. Part 3 comes after the part 2. Okay, on the screen you can see the image here. Okay, you can play, you can look, you can also you follow my finger also so that it will help you more. Okay, I'm gonna play the fast little. After that I'll show you little slowly. Okay, so here we go. Friends, now I'm going to show you the part 3, how you can play the part 3 slowly, okay? Let me show you. In this part 3, you have to slide also. Sliding is just like, play one note and move your finger somewhere. It's called slide. You must know some basic again. I'm telling you. Okay, on the screen tabs are here. Look here. 2 to 3 slide. Then play 3 again. Then 3 to 5 slide. Then 5 to 3 backslide. Then play second finger above. Same again. I'm gonna repeat here. Then backslide 5 to 3, but you have to play once. Then finger will come above here. Only first finger, 5 finger. Now friends, I am going to show you the part 4. It's a vocal part and it's verse 1 of the song. Bahar ban ke aun kabhi tumhari duniya mein. You have to sing with the strumming pattern. Same strumming you have to do again here. Let me show you, okay? Bahar ban ke aun kabhi tumhari duniya mein. Guzar na jaye ye din kahin se tamanna mein. Bahar ban ke aun kabhi tumhari duniya mein. Guzar na jaye ye din kahin se tamanna mein. Tum mere ho, oh tum mere ho. Aaj tum itna waada kar di jana. Chura liya, chura liya hai tumne jo dil ko. Nazar nahi churana sanam. Badal ke meri tum zindagani. Kahin badal na jana sanam. Now friends, I am going to teach you the part 5. Part 5 is the filler of the song. It's come in the music. My dear friends, in this guitar playing, you must know technical things and tips and trick. Let me explain you a little faster than I explain you slowly, okay? It's good, like this. Look here. Now friends, I am gonna show you the filler part 5 slowly. Look here. Again you have to slide here. Look here, I'm sliding. Again slide. See. Now here pull off. Then here slide. Then third string open. Then slide again. Then 2. Then 2 0 0 1 2 2. Slide. Then I'll slide here 7 to 8. Then I'll go how? 8 7 6 and 8. And then after that, see, 3 times like this. Now friends, I'm going to play the last part and the same strumming and few same chords are coming here, okay? Let's begin here, last part for you. And trust me, if you play slowly, you can learn the song, okay? Look here. Now. हो सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को, सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को, है वफा क्या इस जहां चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना thank you very much, friends. Please like, if you like my video, I really always inspire and I get motivated for you and for the new videos. Friends, if you want to learn guitar, if you want to do one-on-one class with me, join me. Go in the about section. You'll find the WhatsApp number. Contact me. I'll teach you all the tricks and tips. Thank you very much.